When you think home inspection, probably think about when you bought your home, right? I'd argue though that your state of mind and position is a little bit different when you bought the home versus after living there for 5 or more years. Now that you've settled in and really gotten to know the house, deploying a home inspection may be more of a methodical option. But I think this conversation goes much deeper than just a regular home inspection. I always think about all the stuff that most people never take advantage of when it comes time to get their home inspected. Things that would be called an add-on to a home inspection now becomes more of a strategic move to improve the efficiency and safety of your home. Here's a few extra services that you might want to consider now that you live in the house. First, a thermal infrared camera scan. See where you're losing hot and cold air where you shouldn't be. Second is water testing. What is exactly in your water? A quick sample to the lab will tell you exactly. Last, air quality testing. Maintaining clean indoor air is important for allergies and other health risks for you and your family. Now that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one where we discuss the ever important smoke and CO2 alarms. We're in the top 10, everyone. More prime tips right around the corner. We'll see you then.